How to get Facebook Marketplace back on your Android. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Are you not being able to see the Marketplace option on your Facebook? If so, let's get started. First of all, make sure to update your Facebook application and then tap on it and log in. Give in your credentials and after login, tap on your profile. After that, click on Settings and Privacy and then go to Settings. From the Settings and Privacy option, click on Preferences and then locate Navigation bar. On this next page, tap on Customize the bar, which will take you to another page. As you can see, the marketplace has been in the hidden shortcuts. This is why you might not be seeing it. Change it to pinned and then go back. Now, on the navigation bar of your Facebook, you will see the option to Facebook Marketplace. Now you can sell as well as buy the products from the marketplace. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.